cool are we? My buddy Simon dropped off his other bike and it does not start. That's all it does. He said something broken here and he replaced it. It started one time and then after that it didn't start again, just starting doing this. That sounds like the relay clicking. But what I'm gonna do is take this apart again because from the sound of it, something might be wedged in there, but we'll see. And shout out to my wife, she got me this sign for the channel. Really nice, it gives a nice touch to the garage. I'm gonna lay it down so this way I don't have to drain the oil. And make sure you turn the gas off. You know what, before I go crazy, let me just check battery voltage. You never know, man, you never know. Alright, it's got good voltage. Let's see when I crank it over. Okay. So up to this point, it's good. The starter is working. You can see the little gear here. It's trying to turn that gear. Okay, so that's up to that point, we're good. So I'm gonna take out this cover. Got 2 bolts hidden, plus all these. And this tool, man, it's badass. It's breaking those free. I'm gonna have the link in the description. As well, I'm gonna put that link in the description too. These are pretty important, the way they go. It had this spacer back here. Is it me or is this loose? Dude, it's missing the key from here. Okay, what's going on, broskies? So everything seems to be moving freely, but because this bolt was loose here and it's missing the key that goes here on the notch, I wonder if when you hit the starter it would make it go cocked, like sideways and bind. Let me crank it over, see if that starter spins properly. Yeah, the starter is working fine. Yeah, maybe that's the issue because this is moving nice, this moves nice. The gear that thing attached to, that moved freely. It's just this that it was loose. I see some like metal in there, kind of hard to see from the camera. Look what the fisherman caught. I guess that's part of whatever broke and he replaced. Alright, it's got compression. The engine is not like locked up because I was thinking maybe the engine was locked up or something. So I put in second gear and I'm turning the wheel here. And I can feel the compression pretty strong, man. This puppy, man, it's got good compression. Damn. Got all the parts, the 2 gaskets, and the missing key. This little puppy was causing the issue. Some Loctite. I don't recall the torque spec, but it can't be something crazy. I found online it said 60 foot-pounds. Don't take my word for it, but that's what I found. Yeah, that 60 foot-pound isn't clicking. That seems pretty tight. I don't want to risk it. If you do have the repair manual and you know the torque spec, we would love to hear that. Just leave a comment. The dowel pins, it's It's nice to have it on the engine so it will hold the gasket in place. There's one over here and another one right there. And then here it has an O-ring. Put some grease, some WD-40, something so it just slides on easy. These bolts, again, it's what I found online. It was 76 inch-pounds if I'm correct, or 78. Again, don't take my advice. I'm just doing this for fun here. You know, the torque wrenches, you kind of gotta have to go like in a quick, steady motion. If you go slow, it still wants to turn. Maybe that's what was happening with that sander bolt, because it's hard to hold the engine and do the wrench at the same time. So this one, I noticed it was over there. It goes on this gear in the back of it. Good thing I paid attention when I took it apart. I saw it was still stuck here with the oil, but while working on it, it fell down, I guess. Charged up the battery. All right, let's see if it starts. Oh, the gas is off.
It ain't got no gas in it.
It's got gas. Technical issues, the gas was off, so we're gonna try this again. Wow, that filter is so clean, man. I was expecting to see a dirty ass filter. Oh, no way! Oh shit, that's awesome, man. Yeah, because I give it gas and it stalls. So all the fumes that's in there from the spray, that's what it's running on. I guess I'm gonna have to take out the carb and clean it. No wonder why this thing didn't want to run. Took the carbo apart, and look, it has like gel stuff in there. Like goo. Look at that. And the gasoline that came out, look, it looks like piss. So I'm gonna clean this out, take out the jets, this one and that jet there, shoot some brake clean and stuff, carb clean, clean out the bowl, and hopefully that's gonna be good. Both of these jets were clogged up, no wonder why it wouldn't run. Cleaned out this and all the holes here, sprayed those and used compressed air blow through them. We should be good. I'm gonna pop it back on the bike and hopefully we're gonna be all set. Nice little tip here. This bolt gave me so much trouble to put it in. The tank wasn't lining up with that. What I ended up doing is I put it on first and then I pushed the tank down in its spot in here. As you can see, it's finally back together. I'm gonna have him ride the bike a little bit. This way we can make sure it's good, because I don't know with that metal that was found in the engine. You know, I want to make sure that part is all good. And also he can run the gas down, put fresh gas, see how it runs. And after that we can go over the bike, see what else it needs. So far I see that it needs some bearings on the linkage.